Radhe Radhe and welcome to JK Yog and Radha Krishna Temple, the headquarters of JK Yog. An astronaut, an explorer who went off on a space mission and set a new record for the maximum spacewalk time. Yes, Miss Sunita Williams. And what did she carry with her all the way into space? A book, a philosophy of life. The same philosophy that the Supreme Lord Shri Krishna spoke to his disciple Arjun on the fierce battle of Kurukshetra. On this beautiful and divine occasion of Gita Jayanti, JK Yog and Radha Krishna Temple are launching the Bhagavad Gita Summit from the 10th of December to 14th of December. We have arranged for a luminous line of speakers to discuss the different facets of the Bhagavad Gita. And today I have with me Mrs. Shreya Bhatt.
Radhe Radhe Shilpa.
Radhe Radhe Shreya ji. Mrs. Shreya Bhatt is going to throw some light on how the event is going to unfold from the 10th through the 14th of December. So Shreya ji, I was reading up on the temple website, radhakrishnatemple.net, and saw that Swami Mukundanand is going to kickstart the event with his keynote speech. Is that right?
That's right, Shilpa. We are starting inaugural ceremony on December 10th, Friday evening, with Dr. Karan Singh and Swami Mukundanand, Mr. Shiv Khera. We are having beautiful inauguration ceremony and the keynote speech by Swamiji, as well as we are having a special message from Dr. Karan Singh, who is our chief guest for the occasion, and Padma Vibhushan, 4 times member of Parliament Government of India. We also have distinguished guest of honor, Mr. Shiv Khera, international best-selling author, motivational speaker, educator, business consultant, and entrepreneur. In addition, we are so honored to have distinguished guest of honor, Dr. Kiran Bedi, first woman officer of Indian Police Service.
That is excellent. Now, isn't she the Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry as well?
Yes.
She was the Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. Yes.
Yes, and another distinguished guest of honor we have is Professor Debashish Chatterjee, Director of IIM Kozhikode, Mentor Director IIM Amritsar, DGIMI. So all these speakers, so much wisdom, so much knowledge, all is coming on one platform during Bhagavad Gita Summit, which is December 10th to 14th.
That is indeed a fabulous line of speakers. So Shreya ji, I would like to ask you a question though. What was your vision? What was your inspiration? What was your goal when you organized the Bhagavad Gita Summit?
So, Bhagavad Gita Summit is conceptualized by Swami Mukundanandji. It's a very unique event, unprecedented in the history of JK Yog, to help and benefit humankind. As you see, in today's day and age, we are all so busy and life is full of stress.
True. Very true.
Everybody is running, whether it's children, adults, you name it. So, this timeless wisdom of Bhagavad Gita, we have seen from Swamiji's commentary of Bhagavad Gita, his lecture series, it has helped transform life of so many people. So having this Bhagavad Gita Summit with so many eminent speakers, such a great panel, it will help benefit bringing the teachings out, the practical tools, techniques and tips to improve people's lives, to deal with different real-time situations and help people become better quality of life.
I couldn't agree more with Shreya ji. If you look up on our website, some of these topics that are covered, Bhagavad Gita for the physician, or Bhagavad Gita, day-to-day life of Bhagavad Gita, getting your answers through the Bhagavad Gita, or Dr. Kiran Bedi's topic, my takeaways on the Bhagavad Gita, are so much in line with the burning questions we have in our day-to-day life. And it is said that the Supreme Lord spoke the Bhagavad Gita on a battlefield to show us that the principles from the Bhagavad Gita can be applied anywhere and everywhere. Our mind is itself a battlefield, and by applying these principles, we can win it. Shreya ji, thank you so much for the excellent question and answer session we have. Our viewers are going to walk away with so much information. And also thank you, big thanks to all of our volunteers who are tirelessly working from all across the globe to bring this program to you. And thank you to viewers like you. Please visit us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course on radhakrishnatemple.net to see all the topics that are going to be covered in this excellent program. तब तक के लिए
Thank you, Shilpa, so much.
Thank you so much. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Radhe Radhe, and we will see you on the 10th.
Radhe Radhe.